vertebral artery. It fused together to form your basilar artery. Branches here, one, you have your posterior inferior cerebellar artery. This one, your anterior inferior cerebellar artery. And these are your pontine branches. This one, you have your superior cerebellar artery. Most superior, you have your posterior cerebral artery. Okay, with regards to this, there are certain vessels, aside from this. Okay, this one is already your internal carotid artery. Internal carotid branch. Towards the lateral, you have your middle cerebral artery. And the one that goes anteriorly, you have your anterior cerebral artery. Okay, then there are certain vessels that will communicate on them. So here, this one that communicates your posterior cerebral to your internal carotid because your posterior communicating arteries. So you're communicating. Then here, it connects the two anterior cerebral, so that would be your anterior communicating artery. The anterior communicating artery. But next